We will guide you through how to invert layer in Photopea. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, access your preferred web browser so you can reach the Photopea website. Double-click the browser icon on your desktop or taskbar to launch it, and wait until the window opens completely. Next, click inside the address bar at the top of the browser and type Photopea. After entering the name, press Enter on your keyboard to begin the search. From the search results, select the top option, 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘, to open the official website. Once the website finishes loading, the Photopea homepage will appear on your screen, and you can begin working with your image. Click the Open from Computer button to access your photo files. Browse to the location where you previously saved the photo you want to edit. Click the desired photo once to select it, then open it so it loads into the Photopea editing workspace. After the editing page finishes loading, press Ctrl+0 on your keyboard to automatically fit the entire canvas within your screen for a more comfortable view. There are 3 different ways to invert your image. The first method is by using an adjustment layer. In the Layers panel, open the available menu options and choose New Adjustment Layer. From the list of available adjustments, select the Invert option to apply the effect through an adjustment layer. The second method uses the Image Adjustment menu. Open the Image menu at the top of the workspace, then locate the Invert option inside the Adjustments menu. Click this option to apply the adjustment settings directly to your image. The third method is the quickest because it uses a keyboard shortcut. Simply press Ctrl+I on your keyboard to instantly invert the selected layer without opening any menus. You have now successfully learned how to invert a layer in Photopea.